Dry skin can feel tight, flaky, and uncomfortable, especially during colder months or after long days in dry air. The key to restoring your skin's health lies in finding the right face mask that deeply hydrates and nourishes from within. In this video, we'll explore the best face masks for dry skin that offer intense moisture, soothing relief, and a soft, radiant finish. These masks are carefully chosen for their proven performance and long-lasting hydration. Let's get into our top 5 picks that truly transform dry, thirsty skin.
Kicking off our list at number 1, Vital Hydra Solution Sheet Mask. The Vital Hydra Solution Sheet Mask from Dr. Jart Plus is a cult favorite among those seeking instant hydration and a dewy, plump complexion. This sheet mask is designed to deliver deep moisture and strengthen the skin barrier, making it perfect for anyone struggling with dryness or dehydration. It's formulated using fine cellulose fiber that fits snugly to the skin, ensuring every drop of essence is absorbed effectively. Key features. This mask features a blend of Aquazyl, xylitol, and oligohyaluronic acid, powerful moisture-binding ingredients that provide long-lasting hydration. It also includes algae extract to improve skin elasticity and soothe irritation. The hypoallergenic material ensures the formula penetrates deeply while remaining gentle even on sensitive skin. Each sheet is individually packed for freshness and convenience. Usability. The adheres comfortably without slipping, allowing you to relax during use. It's perfect for quick at-home pampering or as a travel essential to rehydrate skin after flights. The serum absorbs quickly, leaving no sticky residue. It suits all skin types, particularly dry and combination skin, and can be used 2 to 3 times per week. Durability. Each packet is designed for single use, but the long-term effects are cumulative with consistent application. The packaging preserves the formula's potency by preventing air exposure. With weekly use, the overall health and hydration levels of your skin noticeably improve, making it a long-lasting addition to your skincare routine.
In the second spot, we have Ultra Repair Instant Oatmeal Mask. The Ultra Repair Instant Oatmeal Mask from First Aid Beauty is a comforting, deeply hydrating treatment specially crafted for dry, irritated, or sensitive skin. It delivers instant relief and nourishment using a rich blend of oats and botanical extracts. This mask restores softness and suppleness to skin that feels rough or dehydrated, making it a must-have during harsh weather or after overexfoliation. Key features. The mask's key ingredients include colloidal oatmeal and Avena sativa oat bran, known for their soothing and anti-inflammatory properties. It's enriched with shea butter for deep moisture and sea buckthorn to provide antioxidant protection. The creamy texture feels luxurious, while its clean formulation is free from parabens, sulfates, and synthetic fragrances, making it safe for all skin types. Benefits and usage. The Ultra Repair Instant Oatmeal Mask replenishes the skin's moisture barrier, reduces redness, and calms irritation. It's perfect for those dealing with dry patches or rough texture. To use, apply a generous layer onto clean, damp skin and leave it on for 10 minutes. Rinse off gently with warm water and your skin will feel instantly softer and refreshed. Use 2 to 3 times a week for the best results. Usability. The mask spreads easily and stays comfortable throughout use without tightening or tingling. It's ideal for morning or evening skincare routines and can be used as a quick fix when your skin feels tight or irritated. The subtle oatmeal scent adds a soothing spa-like touch to your self-care routine. Durability. The product comes in a sturdy squeeze tube that preserves the formula's freshness and prevents contamination. A small amount goes a long way, making it cost-effective and long-lasting. Even with regular use, 1 tube can easily last several months, maintaining its creamy consistency and nourishing effect over time. Coming in at number 3 is the Crème Ancienne Nourishing Honey Mask. The Crème Ancienne Nourishing Honey Mask by Fresh is a luxurious treatment formulated with pure honey and natural botanicals to deeply condition dry skin. Inspired by ancient apothecary recipes, this mask offers an indulgent, spa-grade experience that delivers both hydration and revitalization. It's ideal for anyone seeking rich nourishment and a radiant glow. Key features: this honey mask contains over 38% pure honey, known for its humectant properties that attract and lock in moisture. It also includes sea buckthorn oil, meadow foam seed oil, and vitamin E for antioxidant protection. The formula melts into the skin, creating a moisture barrier that leaves the face feeling smooth and supple. It's dermatologically tested and free of parabens, sulfates, and mineral oils. Benefits and usage: the Crème Ancienne honey mask replenishes lost hydration, improves elasticity, and enhances skin radiance. It's excellent for restoring dull, tired skin back to life. Apply a thick layer to cleansed skin, avoiding the eye area, and leave it on for 8 to 10 minutes before rinsing off. The result is a luminous, soft complexion that stays hydrated for hours. Usability: the rich texture spreads smoothly and evenly, transforming into a silky balm upon application. It's suitable for all skin types, but especially beneficial for dry, mature, or stressed skin. Its gentle formulation makes it safe for frequent use without clogging pores or causing irritation. Durability: packaged in a premium glass jar, this mask maintains its freshness and stability for months. Because of its concentrated nature, a little product covers the entire face. With proper storage, it retains its texture and effectiveness over time, ensuring lasting hydration benefits. Despite its luxurious price point, it delivers lasting value through visible results.
Taking our fourth spot is the Water Sleeping Mask. The Water Sleeping Mask from Laneige is one of the most popular overnight masks for dry skin, known for delivering deep hydration while you sleep. This innovative formula works overnight to replenish moisture and repair the skin barrier, leaving you with refreshed and plump skin by morning. It's the perfect choice for anyone looking for effortless hydration that fits seamlessly into a nighttime routine. Key features: the mask is powered by hydroionized mineral water, which penetrates deeply to restore skin hydration. It also includes evening primrose extract and apricot extract to purify and brighten the complexion. Laneige patented Sleep Tox technology helps repair damage caused by stress and environmental factors, ensuring your skin wakes up healthy and glowing. The soft floral scent adds a calming touch for better rest. Benefits and usage: the Water Sleeping Mask provides intensive overnight moisture care, ideal for dull, dry, or fatigued skin. It improves skin texture, elasticity, and overall tone. To use, apply a thin layer after your evening moisturizer and leave it on overnight. Rinse it off in the morning for smooth, hydrated skin. It can be used 2 to 3 times a week depending on your skin's needs. Usability: the lightweight gel texture absorbs quickly without feeling greasy, making it comfortable for overnight use. It's suitable for all skin types and works especially well in dry climates or air-conditioned environments. It's easy to incorporate into any skincare routine and doesn't stain pillowcases. Durability: each jar contains enough product for months of consistent use, since only a small amount is needed each night. The packaging is airtight to preserve freshness, and the gel maintains its smooth consistency over time. This mask remains a reliable hydration solution, ensuring lasting softness and resilience for dry, tired skin.
And finally, at number 5, we have Drink Up Intensive Overnight Mask. The Origin's Drink Up Intensive Overnight Mask is a deeply hydrating treatment that quenches dry skin while you sleep. Designed for long-lasting moisture retention, this overnight mask delivers 72 hours of continuous hydration. It's ideal for anyone whose skin feels tight, rough, or flaky due to lack of moisture. Key features: formulated with avocado butter, glacier water, and hyaluronic acid, this mask replenishes hydration levels and locks in moisture throughout the night. Swiss glacier water infuses minerals for skin balance, while hyaluronic acid plumps the skin from within. The rich, creamy texture feels luxurious, and the subtle, fruity scent enhances relaxation before bed. Benefits and usage. The Drink Up Intensive Overnight Mask nourishes and softens the skin overnight, restoring its moisture barrier and leaving it smooth and supple by morning. It's especially effective during cold weather or after exposure to harsh elements. Apply generously on clean skin before bedtime, focusing on dry areas. Leave it on overnight and rinse it off in the morning for dewy, refreshed skin. Usability. The mask is easy to apply and quickly absorbs without leaving residue. It's suitable for all skin types and safe for daily use. The creamy consistency ensures even coverage, and its non-sticky formula makes it perfect for comfortable overnight wear. It can also be used as a quick 10-minute moisture boost if desired. Durability. The product comes in a convenient, travel-friendly tube that maintains hygiene and prevents waste. Because it's rich and concentrated, a small amount covers the entire face, allowing it to last for months. The formula stays stable and effective throughout its shelf life, providing consistent hydration results night after night. Dry skin doesn't have to be a constant battle, especially when you have the right face mask in your routine. These 5 masks stand out for their ability to deeply hydrate, soothe, and rejuvenate your skin, leaving it soft, radiant, and healthy. Whether you prefer a refreshing sheet mask, a rich honey treatment, or an overnight gel formula, there's something here for everyone. Consistent care makes all the difference, so give your skin the hydration it deserves. Thanks for watching, and check the links below to find your perfect match.